Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Dahya and I'm going to present conversational implicature in Jumanji. When someone communicates, there is often another meaning to be communicated. In pragmatics, there is a term implicature. Implicature is the meaning that the speaker wants to convey but is not part of what is said. I intend to do research with movie as an object entitled Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle. The story begins when four students were thrown in a mysterious game world called Jumanji. To complete the missions in the game, they must work together. Because they have different characteristics and not close to each other, sometimes when communicating, they didn't convey their intentions clearly. The purpose of this research are to reveal out what meanings are implied in the conversational implicature in the movie. Please read Conversation 1. This conversation between Spencer and Fridge occurred when Spencer gave Fridge the essay that he had done. Then Fridge asked if Spencer had checked his essay properly, which was then replied by Spencer that he had done well. Then Fridge told Spencer, "I would have done it myself if I had the time. It is generally the same as the utterance, 'I'm busy.'" Then Spencer can make an assumption that Fridge meant to tell Spencer that he is busy, so he didn't have time to be able to work on his essay and ask Spencer for help. Fridge utterance is included in the generalized conversational implicature. Because to know the meaning, we don't need a specific context and conclude without special knowledge. Now, please read Conversation 2. This conversation happened when they tried to find the missing piece and were directed to retrieve it in a basket, while there's a black mamba snake inside. Spencer and the others didn't know how they could retrieve the missing piece from the basket that filled with a snake. Then Bethany suggested that the one who will take the pieces in the basket was Spencer. Spencer didn't believe what he was hearing and tried to clarify it, which was then responded by Martha with the phrase, "Because you are Bravestone." Martha wanted to convey another meaning by saying that it is clear that only Bravestone can do it. Bravestone is Spencer's character in the game. The only one who can overcome this obstacle was him, because he is Bravestone, a character who has no weakness in the game. To find out the meaning of Martha's word, we must know the characters they play in the game, and the same knowledge of the speaker and listener is required for interpretation. Thus, the utterance is included in the particularized conversational implicature. Thank you.